Hi, welcome to my new video. In this new video I'm going to show you a couple of cool tricks with Piwik PRO. First of all, we are going to cast some dimensions into metrics and then we are going to use them to find out more information about our landing pages. I am going to build a custom calculated metric for the number of landing pages. So first, let's add a calculated metric. Number of landing pages. Then landing pages in Piwik PRO are called entry pages. So let's find some entry pages. I'm going to use session entry URLs for this purpose, and here by clicking this first, search for entry, then you will find a couple of dimensions, session entry title and session entry URL. We are going to use URLs because they are most probably unique. And when you click the small arrow here, you'll get a drop down, this time with only one possible value, unique count of session entry URLs. And it's obviously number, so we're just going to save it. But, of course, in order to calculate a metric, it must be a calculation. So what to do? We just multiply it by 1. This should do the trick. Cool. Now we have number of landing pages as a custom calculated metric. So let's create a dashboard. Landing page report. First, I want to have a metric for social landing pages. So we found our calculated metric here. And then I still need to filter this with channel should equal social and add the widget. Alright, now we know that I've got traffic for social media for 2 entry pages in this year. Next, we of course want to know which pages are we talking about. So now we add a widget. It should be a flat table. Social landing pages. Finally, add a filter. Landing page is once again social. Add a widget. And here we have the 2 landing pages from social channel in 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Piwik PRO. Thank you.